If you are struggling with hair thinning, you might be missing out on one of the easiest and most powerful hair growth boosters, something sitting in your kitchen right now. Most people don't realize that the right food can make all the difference. And when it comes to hair growth, one specific type of pepper stands out from the rest. But is it really a superfood for your hair? All right, let's talk about bell peppers. I know what you're thinking. Really? Bell peppers for hair growth? Come on now. But hear me out, because not all bell peppers are created equal. You see, each color of bell pepper has a different level of nutrients. And when it comes to boosting your hair growth, one color reigns supreme. Can you guess which one? If you said red, ding, 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 you are absolutely right. Red bell peppers are the MVPs when it comes to hair growth. But why is that? Well, let's break it down. First, green bell peppers. These are the babies of the bunch. They're unripe. They're lower in nutrients compared to their more mature siblings. They've got less vitamin C and beta-carotene than red or yellow peppers. Yellow bell peppers, now these guys, they're kind of the middle child, right? They've got more nutrients than the green ones, but they're still not quite at that level of the red ones. They've got a moderate amount of vitamin C and some decent antioxidants, but they're not the superstars. I think you get the idea. Orange is a step up, but the real star, the red bell pepper. Now these are the fully ripe, nutrient-dense powerhouses. They are hands down the best for boosting collagen, improving scalp health, and strengthening your hair. Now, I gotta be honest with you. Growing up as a Latino, I mostly ate green peppers. Chile rellenos, the stuffed green peppers, are a staple in our culture. And I never really knew that there was much of a difference between the colors. And mind you, I realized that green peppers are not the exact same as these bell peppers, but they're generally in the same family, right? But it wasn't until I was an adult that I started throwing peppers, like these peppers, into my salad. But even then, I wasn't seeking out the red ones specifically. And I'll be honest, I probably went more for the green ones because of the price. But you know what? I'm still learning, just like you. I think it's really cool that we get to discover these things together, because the truth is most people have no idea about the power of red bell peppers for hair growth. So the question is, should you just focus on eating the red bell peppers, or is it better to eat a variety of all the colors? And what about organic or non-organic? Does that make a difference? Well, let me tell you a little story. When I first started researching foods for hair growth, I came across a study that looked at how these nutrients in bell peppers change as they ripen. And let me tell you, it blew my mind. The researchers found that as a bell pepper goes from green to yellow to red, the levels of vitamin C and beta-carotene skyrocket. In fact, red bell peppers can have up to 11 times more beta-carotene and 1.5 times more vitamin C than green peppers. So if you're serious about using bell peppers to boost your hair growth, you definitely want to prioritize the red ones. But eating a variety of colors can still have a nice mix of nutrients. As for organic or non-organic, some studies suggest that organic peppers may have slightly higher levels of certain nutrients, but the difference is not huge. So if organic isn't in your budget, don't sweat it. The most important thing is that you're eating plenty of peppers, especially the red ones. All right, so now that we know that the red bell peppers are the boss when it comes to hair growth, let's dive into why they're such a superfood for your locks. Now picture this, you're in the grocery store, you're staring at a bin full of shiny, bright red peppers. You might be thinking, sure, they're pretty, but what can they really do for my hair? Well, let me tell you, these little red powerhouses are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that can take your hair growth to the next level. First off, red bell peppers are absolutely packed with vitamin C. In fact, they've got even more vitamin C than oranges. I know, I was shocked too, but here's the thing. Vitamin C is crucial for boosting collagen production in your body. And collagen, my friends, is like the framework that holds your hair together. It makes your strands stronger, thicker, and more resilient. Plus, vitamin C helps your body absorb iron better. And if you're low on iron, that can lead to hair thinning and shedding. So by eating red peppers, you're not only getting a collagen boost, you're also making sure that your body can use all of the iron from your diet to keep your hair thick and healthy. But the benefits do not stop there. Red bell peppers also are bursting with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is like a tall drink of water for your scalp. It keeps your skin hydrated and it helps your sebum production. That's the natural oil that keeps your hair shiny and moisturized. Without enough vitamin A, your hair can get brittle, dry, and be prone to breakage. And let's not forget about antioxidants. Red peppers are full of these little defenders that help protect your cells from damage. When it comes to your hair, antioxidants are like tiny bodyguards, shielding your follicles from oxidative stress. And oxidative stress is a major culprit behind shedding and thinning. So if you've been noticing more hair in your brush lately, or your ponytail is feeling a little sparse, it might be time to ask yourself, am I getting enough vitamin C and antioxidants in my diet? I remember when I first started learning about the link between nutrition and hair health, I was skeptical at first too. I mean, can what you eat really make that much of a difference? But then I started reading studies and these personal stories from people who had completely transformed their hair by changing their diets. There was one study in particular that really stuck with me. The researchers found that women with hair loss had significant lower levels of vitamin C compared to women with healthy hair. And when they gave these women with hair loss vitamin C supplements, the hair started growing back thicker and faster. That's when it clicked for me. What we put in our bodies really does have a direct impact on the health of our hair. And these red bell peppers are like nature's multivitamin for hair growth. So we've established that red bell peppers are the MVPs of the pepper world when it comes to hair growth. But what exactly do they do for your hair? Let's break it down. First off, red bell peppers can help wake up sleepy hair follicles. You see, they contain a little something called capsaicin. Now, capsaicin is usually associated with spicy peppers like jalapenos and habaneros, the kind that make you sweat and reach for a glass of milk. I'm looking at you, hot ones. But red bell peppers have just a tiny hint of capsaicin, and in small doses, it can actually be really good for your hair. Capsaicin stimulates blood flow to your scalp, which is like giving your hair follicles a little caffeine boost. This extra circulation brings more oxygen and nutrients to your hair roots, which can help jumpstart hair growth and even reactivate follicles that have been snoozing on the job. But that's not all. Red bell peppers are also packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, which can help improve overall scalp health. While there isn't direct research linking red bell peppers to blocking DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a hormone that can contribute to hair loss, some studies suggest that antioxidants in general may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are factors in hair loss. One study published in the Journal of Dermatology found that antioxidants like vitamin C and E may help reduce the effects of DHT-induced hair loss. Another study, they looked at saw palmetto. It's an herb, a very powerful herb known for blocking DHT, in combination with antioxidants, and found that this combo might help target DHT while improving scalp health. So while we can't say for sure that red bell peppers directly block DHT, their high antioxidant content could help create a healthier environment for your hair follicles, making them more resilient to damage and shedding. And here's the really cool part. When you eat red bell peppers regularly, you might start to notice that your hair is growing faster and shedding less. That's because the vitamin C in these bad boys is helping your hair grow stronger and thicker from the inside out. I'll never forget the first time that I really started paying attention to how my diet affected my hair. I had always been pretty lucky in the hair department. I had thick, full, long hair and that grew like weeds. But then in my mid-30s, I started noticing more and more hair in my brush and in the shower drain. At first, I just chalked it up to getting older, right? But then I started doing some research and I realized that what I was eating or not eating could be playing a big role. I started incorporating more red bell peppers into my meals, throwing them into my salads, sauteing them with onions and garlic, even blending them into smoothies. And you know what? After a few months, I started noticing a difference. My hair felt thicker and healthier, and I wasn't losing as much in the shower. Now, I'm not saying that red bell peppers are a magic cure-all for hair loss. No, there are a lot of factors that can contribute to thinning hair, from genetics to hormones to stress. But what I am saying is that if you're looking for a natural, easy way to give your hair a boost, adding some red bell peppers to your diet is a great place to start. And hey, even if you don't notice a dramatic difference in your hair growth, you're still doing your body a favor by eating such nutrient-rich foods. Red bell peppers are like nature's multivitamin. They're good for your skin, your eyesight, your immune system, and so much more. So the next time that you're in the grocery store, don't just walk past these red bell peppers. Toss them in your cart and start experimenting with the ways to incorporate them into your meals. Your hair and your taste buds will thank you. And hey, before we wrap up, I want to let you in on a little secret. While adding red bell peppers to your diet is a great way to support healthy hair growth from the inside out, I've got something that can help you nourish your hair from the outside in too. It's called the Main Growth Elixir. It's my premium, high quality hair growth oil that I've been working on for over a year now. This baby is the real deal. It's crafted with a potent blend of natural botanicals, essential oils, and powerful nutrients that are scientifically proven to revitalize your scalp and promote healthy hair growth. I'm talking about ingredients like bringraj, saw palmetto, black seed oil, and fenugreek, all of which have been shown to strengthen hair, reduce shedding, and support optimal follicle function. Plus, it's got vitamins, antioxidants, and the essential nutrients that your hair craves. So whether you're battling thinning hair, breakage, or a receding hairline, Main Growth Elixir is the ultimate solution for achieving thicker, fuller, and healthier hair. And the best part, it's suitable for all hair types and safe for long-term use. So if you're ready to experience the power of nature and unlock your hair's true potential, head over to watchstallionmain.com and grab your bottle of their Main Growth Elixir today. And make sure that you sign up for our newsletter to receive 15% off your first order. I promise I will not send you any spam. Trust me, your hair will thank you. All right, let's keep the ball rolling and recap what we've learned today about these amazing benefits of the red bell pepper for hair growth. Red bell peppers are the superstar of the pepper family when it comes to nutrients for your hair. They've got way more vitamin C and beta-carotene than their green or yellow counterparts. These nutrients are crucial for boosting collagen production, keeping your scalp healthy, and strengthening your strands from the inside out. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron, which is a key for preventing hair loss. The antioxidants in red bell peppers, especially vitamin C, can help improve scalp health and reduce inflammation, as well as oxidative stress, which are contributing factors to hair thinning and shedding. Eating red bell peppers regularly can help stimulate hair follicles, improve circulation to your scalp, and may even help your hair grow faster and stronger. So here's my challenge to you. Start incorporating more red bell peppers into your diet and see what kind of difference it makes for your hair. Try adding them to your salads, your stir fries, your omelets. Get creative, and don't just take my word for it. Pay attention to how your hair looks and feels after a few weeks or months of eating more of these red beauties. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but I hate peppers, or I can't eat them raw, and that's totally fine. You can still reap the benefits by cooking them or even blending them into a sauce or a smoothie. The key is finding a way to work them into your diet that you will actually enjoy. And remember, while red bell peppers are an amazing tool for hair growth, they're no magic bullet. Hair health is holistic. It's about your overall diet, your lifestyle, your stress levels, and yes, your genetics. But adding some nutrient-dense foods like red peppers onto your plate is always a step in the right direction. So the next time you're at the grocery store, grab a few bell peppers. Start experimenting with ways to incorporate them into your meals. And most importantly, pay attention to how your body and your hair responds. You might just be surprised at how much of a difference one little change can make. But who knows, in a few months, you might be the one raving to your friends about the power of red bell peppers for hair growth. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need a little hair growth boost. And if you try adding more red peppers to your diet, I want to hear about it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how it goes. Until next time, my friends, keep nourishing those gorgeous locks from the inside out, and click on this video next to discover the third superfood that will unleash your main potential.